Hip or knee surgery is one thing, but staying in a hospital for who knows how long, well, that's another thing altogether. Today we have Dr. Crovetti joining us from one of his recovery suites, which looks more like a hotel room than a medical facility. Dr. Crovetti, thanks for joining us first of all. Tell us about these suites.
The Coronado Surgical Recovery Suites is where we perform our outpatient hip and knee replacement surgeries. Next door in the Coronado Surgery Center, we actually perform the procedure. After a couple hours in the recovery room, we throw your gym clothes on and you come over and you're admitted to the surgical recovery suites. I think the hotel feel is important because people just want to be comfortable after surgery. Hospitals scare people a little bit. The new techniques that we use in the surgery center make it very safe for a patient to have a hip or knee replacement in the outpatient setting. As you'd imagine, the complication rates like infection, blood clots, all these terrible things that we worry about when having a hip or knee replacement are really gone in this outpatient model. The recovery suites are very comfortable. We have nurses here 24 hours a day. We have physical therapists to put you to work while you're here. We control your pain, and that's one of our primary focuses. And the reason we keep you here a couple of days is to make sure your pain is well controlled. Lastly, we teach you how to use a lot of the stuff around hip or knee replacement. When you go home, often you might have a motion machine, an ice compression machine, a different kind of brace, or even some squeezers on your calves to prevent blood clots. So we spend those couple days educating yourself, educating your family, and just frankly taking great care of you, like old-time medicine used to be, and making your stay very comfortable.
All right, everybody's going to wonder, how's the food?
The food here at the outpatient recovery suites is amazing. We have a chef on premises to cook for you. We cater dinners, and I think you'll find that sometimes we try to overfeed you a little bit, but the food is fantastic.
So do you find patients that don't want to leave?
I'll tell you, most patients are here 2 days, and there are times when we do have a difficult time getting them out the door. I think the comfort of our nurses and everybody with the attention that you receive, the great food, the great just overall attitude of the facility makes everybody want to stay sometimes as long as they can.
All right, so finally, how do people find out more about this?
If you want to learn more about the Coronado Surgical Recovery Suites, the Coronado Surgery Center, or Crovetti Orthopaedics and Sports Medicine, where we love to talk about outpatient hip and knee replacement, go to CrovettiOrtho.com.
Dr. Crovetti, thanks so much for joining us. Always good to see you. Crovetti Orthopaedics and Sports Medicine is at the Coronado Surgical Center in Henderson.